Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to use Power Query to combine multiple Excel worksheets into one master list instantly without copying and pasting by hand. This method is completely dynamic, meaning if you update your individual sheets later, your master list will refresh automatically. First, make sure all your individual worksheets have identical structure and identical column headers, or the merge will not align correctly. Ensure your data tables are formatted as official Excel tables by clicking inside them and pressing Ctrl plus T on each sheet. Open a blank worksheet in the same workbook where your master consolidated data will live. Go up to the top menu ribbon and click on the Data tab. In the Get and Transform Data group, click the Get Data button, select From Other Sources, and click Blank Query. The Power Query Editor window will pop up over your spreadsheet workspace. Look at the top formula bar, type equal excel.currentworkbook, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and hit Enter. Power Query will list every single table available inside your current Excel workbook file. Look at the header of the content column and click the Expand icon, the button with two small arrows pointing left and right. Uncheck the box at the bottom that says Use Original Column Name as Prefix and click OK. And that's it! Your multi-sheet data consolidation is now completely automated. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.